very important document released for the TNPSC examination which carried out on 12th July, and the important document is admit card or hall ticket. It is necessary to carry out the examination center. Now TNPSC releases the admit card on their official website tnpsc.gov.in tnpsc.gov.in. Go to that website, fill the necessary information, and must take the printout of the hall ticket. As I said, it is necessary, and all the information, instruction, examination date, all information given on that hall ticket. Student must carry that hall ticket. There are around 4,000 vacancies, for which examination conducted on the 12th July. So must download that hall ticket or admit card and share this important news to the maximum student so they can aware and take this important document which is necessary at the examination center along with photo ID proof plus this admit card or hall ticket. Sure, thanks.